Now there are two ends to a radiator where the heating will come in and go out. This is the lock shield end, and generally it's on the return side back to the boiler. So the first thing I do if the radiator isn't getting hot is I get myself an adjustable spanner or a pair of grips and open that one full turn. Now I go to the other end of the radiator and make sure that if there's a TRV present, which there is on most radiators in the UK, make sure that that's fully turned open. In this case that's number 5. Now once you've opened up the lock shield at that end and the radiator TRV at this end and the radiator still doesn't get hot, what I'd then do is remove the radiator TRV head. Once we've removed the thermostatic radiator valve head, that will expose the TRV pin that the radiator valve acts on. Now often these can get stuck down in the shut position. What you should do now is do not use anything to hit the pin with, just grab a set of grips and wiggle it up and down and free it off. Once you've got that working really well, you should see that it goes up and down on its own. If you feel like it once you've freed it off, you can try and spray some lubricant around the pin shaft to try and prevent it from getting stuck again.